Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here! Welcome back for another highlight! Yay! Yan! I know you're so excited with the first ever McDonald's Happy Meal toys this 2025 here at the Philippines. Yan! And tara, let's do the unboxing video of the first ever toys of McDonald's. And that's... Ta-da! Ay, wait! Mali, Burger McDo to. Wait, take two. And, ayan. Wait, take two tayo. Pagkain. Yan. By the way, it's currently 1:41 in the morning. And nagpa-deliver tayo agad. Since, alam niyo naman, hindi tayo nagpapahuli sa chismis. Yan. So, tara. Let's do. Ito na. For real. Here's the toys. And there are a total of 8 toys to collect this time. And there is one book to collect. So, total of 9 Happy Meals to collect this time. Yan. So, let's open this one. Sirain na natin. Wow, diba? Nag-unboxing. So, here's the book. Yan. So, yun. Nagkamali ng bigay sa akin ng book. Actually, this is not the new book. Yan. So, I'll just return this sa pinagbilan ko na branch na McDonald's. O, yan. Live na live tayo. Wala tayong kinakat. Diba? Kasi I have this one already. But let's proceed with the Sonic toys. Yan. So, just to clear things up, there are a total of 8 toys here in the Philippines. But on the other country like UAE, there are a total of 12 toys to collect. And we're missing total of 4. And one by one, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga kulang natin. So first, wait. Here's Shadow. Yan. The Evil Sonic, di ba? For the Sonic 3, the Hedgehog movie. Yan. Actually, we're going to unbox this na sabay-sabay na since they have the same gimmick eh. So, para medyo mabilis tayo this time. Okay. Then, here's Sonic, here's Tails, the best friend of Sonic. Yan. And as far as I know, there are a total of 2 Sonic here in the Philippines. Wait. I'll just get yun. Dalawa nga. Yan. The regular and the alt Tails Sonic yan. Actually, I'm not pretty sure ano yung alt? What does it mean? So, kindly comment down below, highlighters. Baka alam nyo. Ano yung alt? Baka alt form? Baka yun yung nilalabas na yung superpower? I'm not sure eh. So, kindly correct me. Yan. Kindly comment down below, highlighters. So, yan. And next, of course, there is the friend and the rival of Sonic. Here's Knuckles, the color red Sonic. Yan. Okay. And of course, the one who could run as fast as thunder. Here's Sonic, the Hedgehog. Yan. May regular and alt form also. Okay. And here's Super Sonic. Yan. So, Super Sonic is Sonic mismo. So, nagiging Super Sonic siya once he harness the positive power of the 7 Emerald Chaos. Yun, tama ba? Tama yun. So, yun siya. 7 Emerald Chaos or 7 Chaos Emerald. I'm not pretty sure. Basta yun. So, yan. And last but not the least, yan. Kung meron Super Sonic na mabait, may evil naman na Super Sonic or Super Shadow Sonic naman yung tawag. So, yan. Diba? So, ito siya, si Shadow na yung color black na color dilaw, and harness naman niya yung negative energy. Kaya naging evil siya. So, yan. Okay. Diba? Yan. Hopefully clear. And by the way, may QR code. So, later on, we're going to play again. Check natin kung ano yung meron dito. Okay. Hope it's clear. So, yan. So, let's do the unboxing time. Okay. So, wait. Itabi natin muna to. Yan. Siguro okay nang ganito, no? Or baba natin, baka mahulog. Yan, ha? Yan, dire-diretso na yung vlog. So first, let's start with ano muna, with Knuckles Alt Roller. Okay. I think it comes with stickers eh. Oops, yan. So it comes inside the box na naman. And yon. Oh, it comes with stickers. Yee. Yan. So ito yung there's an instruction at the back of the sticker. Yan. So kung saan nyo siya ilalagay. Oops, nalaglag. And here's Knuckles. Yan. For this time around, yan, I'm not going to put na yung stickers para yan. Hindi na tayo masyado tumagal. Yan. And yun, pwede siyang gawing standy lang as like this one, like figure alone na pwede nyo display, or you could put it inside the roller. Yan. Okay. Okay? So, here's a closer look. Oops, log. So, yan. So, that's Knuckles. Yan. So, next toy. So, next toys. Sige, si Sonic na yung next natin. Yan. Here's the original form and here's the alt form. Yan. So, let's compare. Sige. And let's guess what's the difference between the two. Wait. Okay, so yan. So, here's the, sa original muna tayo. Here's the sticker for the original Sonic. Yan. Actually, yung stickers niya is for the shoes lang naman niya. Para magkaroon ng details yung shoes. Same as the previous toys ng Happy Meal na Sonic din. Na doon lang nilalagay. So, later natin ipakita yung gimmick ng pinaka-toys. Yan. And again, it could stand freely naman without the roller. O, diba? Yan. So, let's put it on the inside the roller. Actually, yung roller serves as the thunder kasi yung parang yung pagka yung nagkaano sila ng powers, yung parang electricity. So, yan siya. Okay. Wait. So, hindi siya yan. Oops. Check natin. Ooh, di ba? Binalance ba? And here's the closer look of the alt form Sonic. Alternate alt or siguro wala naman, may meaning kaya yun talaga. Actually, hindi talaga ako sure. Yun. So, kasi nagsasearch ako, hindi ko talaga alam kasi hindi naman naglaro masyado ng games ng Sonic. So, I'm not sure. Or baka nasa movie. So, let's wait for the movie to release here sa theaters. So, yan. So, here's the difference. Diba? Red, ito yung blue. So, baka may ano rin yun. May meaning rin sa movie. So, let's check. Okay? Then, sa stickers niya is halos the same lang rin naman. Check natin yung, okay. Itong mga to, like the triangles here, dito siya nilalagay. Oh. Yan. And for this one naman, here. Yung parang thunder niya, here naman. Yan. Pero dito naman, kahit randomly, kahit ano. Pero I leave it like this one na lang. Mas okay siya for me na ganito. Okay, we're done with Sonic. So, next up. Wait. So, okay, we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toys. So, let's pick Tails. Yan. Tails, here's the Tails original roller and Tails alt roller or ALT roller. So, yan. Okay. So, yan. Tama. Wait. Para hindi tayo magkamali. So, the orange is Tails alt roller. So, here's the closer look. Yan. Then, here's the stickers. Yan. Particularly, ilalagay nyo siya sa shoes and sa decals dito. Okay. So, yeah, wait, let's put it inside the roller. Yon. So, kung natatandaan nyo, no, yung last year, I think last year yon or the previous toys ng Sonic or Sonic 2, yung mga papers, yung mga puzzle, towers, ganon. Actually, hindi siya masyado naging mabili sa McDonald's kasi made of paper. But this one is, mas okay siya kasi toys na naman. Pero before that, the Sonic 1, mga pullback siya man siya. Diba? So, yun. Pero kung comparing this one or yun, mas okay to, I think. So, yun. Pero less gimmick siya, no? Comparing to mga previous toys talaga. So, yun naman, for this time around, kala ko sa tails niya ilalagay, para dito rin siya, yun, no? May mga 1, 2, 3, 4. Kulang naman. Tingnan mo, kaya ayokong ilagay yung stickers. Like dito, tatlo lang. Pero yung pattern niya, 1, 2, 3, 4. O na mo? Mauusi lang ako. Kulang siya. Kaya wag na natin ilagay. And yun, again, ito yung sa shoes. Yun. Okay. Wait. Okay. So here's the comparison between the alt and the regular. Okay. Yan. Diba? Ang plain lang niya, actually. And oops, nalaglag na naman po. Hindi lang lumipad si Tails. So yan, that's all for Tails. Yan. The Sonic that could fly using his 2 tails. Kaya Tails yung tawag sa kanya. Okay? Yan. And okay, before we proceed pala, I forgot to tell you na sa Knuckles yan, wala tayo nung original form. Color blue ata yung pinaka-roller niya. Ayan, pag iba yung form niya, yun. And ayun, pag meron ng stickers yung niya, yun, ganun siya. Diba? So, yan. And like this one rin, meron, ito, si Shadow Alt, may original form nito. Then for this one, si Shadow Alt again, may original form nito yung color black. And this Sonic Alt, Super Sonic, may original form din ito. So, puro alt yung version niya sa atin. So, like, same as this one, Knuckles, wala rin siya yung original. So, wala tayong mga original forms nitong 4 na to. Yan. So, you could check it via online kung saan meron. Baka may nagsasell na yun. Okay, so let's start naman with Super Shadow Alt Roller. Okay. So, this is the sticker of Super Shadow Alt Roller. Yan. Okay. And yun, dito siya ilalagay yung pinaka-triangles and shoes. Yan. Again ha, mas okay kasi sa akin for me na ganito lang, na walang stickers. Kaya, yun, hindi ko na siya ilalagay. Yan. Kaya if ever na OC kayo, alam niya na. Yun. You could follow me also on Facebook and kindly comment down on dun sa video para ma-share niyo yung photos with mga mga may sticker decals na. So, yan. So, here's the Super Shadow Alt Roller. So, yan. Diba? Mukha nga talaga siyang evil. So, yan. I'm so excited tuloy ma-watch na yung Super Sonic 3. So, yan. Okay. So, we're down to last 2. Okay. So, here's Shadow Alt Roller. The color black or the evil Sonic. Yan. Ito yun. Actually, mahirap ilagay yung shoes. Kaya, yung sticker sa shoes. Kaya, medyo hindi na ako nag-try maglagay. Kasi baka umabot ng 1 hour yung video natin. Pati mauusi lang ako. Kasi pag naglalagay ako actually ng stickers, tumatagal ako ng almost an hour. Kasi ayoko ng tabi-tabingi, ayoko ng nalulukot. So, yun. Tapos pag lukot na siya, bumibili na ako ng bago para, yun, papalitan siya. So, here's Shadow, the color black. So, if you're familiar with this one, ito yung nasa mid-credit or sa last part ng Super Sonic, ng Sonic 2 the Hedgehog movie na pinakita si Shadow na dumilat. 'Yon. So, ito siya. Okay. So, makikita natin kung paano siya nagawa sa movie. Kung, yun. Tama kay Dr. Ano ba yun? Robotnik. Hindi kay Robotnik yung ano pala yung robot no? So, yun ngayon, pure, ano nga lang pala no, ngayon, pure Sonic, mga hedgehog lang, no? Yan. And last but not the least, yan. Here's Sonic, Super Sonic Alt Roller, yan. So, let's see kung magiging mabait din si Shadow or hindi. Kasi, di ba, from the Sonic 2, naging mabait po si Knuckles. So, yan. Okay, naging friend naman niya. So, again, yan. So, here's Super Sonic. Yan. Actually, from the previous toys ng McDonald's, the Super Sonic, the Sonic 2 Hedgehog movie, ito yung pinaka-mabili. Si Super Sonic. Yan. Diba? Nice. Kasi actually, para to keep it secret, hindi nila nalagay sa poster kasi to, si Super Sonic. Kasi yung revelation, doon na sa mismong movie. Diba? Yung ibang McDonald's, dinisplay. Kaya nalaman kung sino yung secret. So, yan. Ayun yung kwento ng mga panahon na yun. So, yan. Here's the sticker for this one. Okay. So, yan. And the best part, let's try rolling it na. Okay. So, wait. Ayusin ko lang yung camera angle. And let's play with these toys na. Okay? Okay. So, here we go. And let's roll out the Sonic Hedgehog 3 McDonald's Happy Meal toys. Again, here's Shadow Alt Roller. Oops, masyado mahina. Di ba nice? Cute naman siyang laruin. Yan. Then, here's, oops, nalaglag na naman po. Yan, actually yun lang, mahirap dito. Yung iba, hindi siya ganun ka, okay. Higpitan nyo lang siya. Yan. Here's Knuckles. Yan. Knuckles Alt Roller. Okay. Check natin kung display lang natin yan. Oops. Kasi may electric fan, kaya umaandar. And here's, wait, ano natin na. Baka gumulong. And here's, Tails, Alt, and regular, or original, I mean. Yan. So, yun lang talaga siya. Roll lang siya. Diba? So, yan. Okay. So, actually, no, just a trivia. Kung alam niyo yung previous toys na McDonald's, yung Sonic lang, 4 sila, may roller doon. Ang ganda, nasa loob siya ng ganito. Tapos nandun si Sonic sa loob. Tapos talagang si Sonic, naka-stay put lang siya doon sa gitna. Hindi siya yung umiikot na ganito. Yung, sana check nyo sa internet. So, yun, nandun siya. Meron doon na McDonald's toys during the early 2000s yun release yan. And again, here's Sonic. Diba? Masaya naman. Yan. So, you could ask your friends to play with you. Yan. So, paunahan kayo kung sino mauna. So, pwede kayong gawa ng tawag dito, ng line. Para if ever, who's the first one na maka-pass dun sa line, wins, diba? So, unleash your creativity in playing these toys. And here's Super Sonic and Super Shadow Sonic. Yan. And nice naman actually. Yan, so pwede nyo paglaruin ng pagbanggain. Oh. Cool, 'di ba? Yan. Oops. Yan, sige. Okay, chaos na. So yan. Nagkalat na naman. Wait. Hindi naman siya agad nasisira since na lang naman siya. So yan. So, yan. Here's the Sonic 3, the Hedgehog movie, McDonald's toys. Okay. So, as promised, let's start playing na the game sa QR code. Okay. So, let's get some box. And let's scan this one. Okay. Here we go. Let's scan the QR code. So, yan. And let's play. Play game. Nice. Nice, 'di ba? So, yan. Wait. Hopefully, naririnig kasi inalis ko yung mic. Yan, para mas clear yung sound. So, yan. So, wait. Display tayo ng toys here sa sides para maganda naman. So, yan. Yan. 'Di ba? Cool. So, let's start playing. So, select character. Which one do you like? I'll choose Tails for this time. So, next. Wait, ay, pakita lang natin yung gumagalaw sila. Oh, di bang angas? Here's Knuckles, Sonic, Shadow, and Tails. So, di ba siya talaga yung pinakamaamo? So, ayan, pili natin si Tails. So, next. So, how to play? Swipe to move and collect emeralds. Emeralds, you will hear a chime when an emerald is collected. Yan. Diba? Pag na-collect kasi yung yung emerald, 7 emerald, diba? Doon na lang na-unleash yung supersonic powers nila. Okay. So, yan. Uy, cool ah. Nice. Yun. Uy, nice. 3D siya, no? Yung nice. Ang ganda ng game, pero wala siyang sounds. Yan. So, i-collect lang natin lahat nung pinaka-emerald. Yan. So, swipe left, swipe right, down, and up. So, yan siya. So, left, and last. Oh, yun. We collected 10 out of 11. So, continue and keep running. So, let's check. Yan, meron pa. Ang nice. I'm not sure kung time-bound siya. Ang nice, no? Para ka naglaro ng PlayStation. Oh, yeah. This is one of the nicest game, nakasama sa Happy Meal. Para kang naglalaro ng ng PlayStation or ng Game Boy, 'di ba? Or ng Nintendo Switch. Yan. Hopefully we could complete all emeralds. Okay. So ito yung niya. Dapat 19 rounds lang para ma-complete mo yung yan. So 0 na. Yan. So kulang tayo ng 2. Okay. So let's play again. So yan pala siya. So I get it na. So, we need to move lang kung ilan lang yung steps yan. Here's the steps. Total of 23 para makomplete mo yung 17. So, you need to make diskarte. So, yan. Wait, let's try lang. Oops. And let's check after finishing this one, let's try kung same lang yung sila Sonic or yung pinaka niya. I think makakomplete ko lahat. Wait lang. Wait, ba't walang sounds nga, no? Wait lang So, accessible audio.
Audio descriptions on.
Game controls, Sonic 3, and yan. Okay. Yun lang. Wala talagang sounds, no? Wait, let's try the game menu or how to play game controls. Hindi, yan na. Yan na. Wala talaga siyang chime sounds. Ay, wait. Ayoko nang may ganun. Medyo disturbing siya.
Audio descriptions off.
So, yan. Nawala tuloy tayo. Nasaan na ba yun? Last one. Yay! We completed all the emerald. O, diba? Ang cool ni Tails. O, here's Knuckles, Shadow, and Sonic. Oh. Nice. Ayun, complete natin. O, select new character lang. Let's try Sonic this time. Tingnan lang natin kung same lang yung pinaka-stadium niya. Same lang talaga. Okay. So, that's it. Yan. So, that's how to play this game. Hey, so nice, right? Wait. Let's try for the second time around kung makukuha na natin siya lahat. Oh, complete natin this time. Oh, diba? Cool. So, that's it, highlighters. So, that's it, highlighters. We're done showing you all the complete set of the Sonic 3 the Hedgehog movie. So, yan. And syempre, before we end this video, which one is your favorite among all 8? Yan. For me, actually kasi same lang talaga siya. Naiba lang talaga yung pinaka-colors niya eh. Syempre, naka-base na sa inyo kung sino pinaka-favorite yung Hedgehog. Syempre, lahat love natin si Sonic, 'di ba? Pero this time around, I'm going to choose the wait, wait lang, para hindi tayo mapahiya. Here's the Tails original roller and here's one of my fave among all 8. Yan. Doon isa mabait syempre. Sorry na Sonic. Pero syempre cool rin ng ito yung pinaka-iconic eh. Yung si Sonic and Red, yung pinaka-red yung roller niya. So, yan. Kayo highlighters, sino yung favorite nyo among all 8? Kindly comment down below. And to tell you honestly, mas nag-enjoy akong laruin yung pinaka-game niya virtually. So, ang nice. So, don't forget to scan the QR code and play the game. And play all 4 characters, diba? Kasi it reminds me of the iconic Sega toys ng McDonald's din. Yung para siyang yung meron siyang arcade Brit game ba tawag doon? So yun. Ang nice nun, dati ganun yung Sega Sonic na toys eh, yung mga game siya. Ngayon kasi talagang action figures yung mga toys na talaga. But it's cool, right? Kasi like this time, hindi na gumagana yun. And ito, kahit ilang years pa, gumagana pa rin, umiikot-ikot pa rin since walang mechanism. Yan. So that's all for now, highlighters. Hope we could complete all the 12 toys. Yan. So pagalingan na lang na maghanap sa online. And if ever, I'm the admin of the Happy Meal Toys PH group on Facebook. So you could join us for free, syempre, to interact with other Happy Meal toy collectors here in the Philippines or even worldwide. So yan. And minsan may nagsasell rin doon ng other toys worldwide. So yan. Para makomplete natin total of 12. So that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!